Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on top of the screen, and that's the phone call speaker. Another one is on the back of your phone right here. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, and clearly sound is coming only from the back speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.